Preeti Vartak. I'm working as a delivery manager in Learning Mate for close to about 5 years. I started my journey in Learning Mate in the year 2020 as a senior project manager for one of the biggest accounts in the K-12 tech segment. And in a couple of years, I was fortunate enough to be promoted to the role of a delivery manager. This journey has influenced my leadership style to be more collaborative and process-oriented. I've been blessed to be working with a fantastic team of developers, testers, business analysts, designers, data analysts, and project managers in this account. This journey also gave me an opportunity to build a great rapport with my client and to gain their trust in my management style. This journey also introduced me to a fascinating world of EdTech, where I realized how tech that we build can impact the lives of the students, teachers, caretakers, admins so positively. Learning Mate is into EdTech, right? And working in EdTech has helped or deepened my understanding of how technology can transform the learning experiences from personalized learning to adaptive assessments. I have learned how data analytics can be leveraged to improve students' engagement and their learning outcomes. I've got an opportunity to work in many complex projects in Learning Mate in an agile environment, which has strengthened my ability to lead cross-functional teams and to ensure timely delivery of the solutions. I've also got an opportunity to mentor junior project managers and collaborated with clients to help them shape the product strategies. I think the most in-demand tech skills would align with AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, which includes generative AIs, LLMs, and natural language processing. The other area I would think is cloud computing, that includes Dockers, containerizations, and Kubernetes. The third could be cybersecurity, that includes ethical hacking, cloud security, and penetration testing. And finally, I believe data analytics, which includes database and ETL technologies like Snowflake, for example. One of the biggest misconceptions about women working in tech is that they lack the technical ability to pursue deeply technical goals, and that women can't handle the pressure of the fast-paced nature of tech roles. For young women aspiring their careers in tech, here are a few pointers. 1. Build strong technical skills. That means learn coding early. Python, Java, SQL. Gain hands-on experience with projects, hackathons, and internship. Stay updated on emerging tech like AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing. 2. Advocate for yourself. Speak up in meetings, share your ideas. 3. Explore different roles in tech. Now, tech isn't just coding. Explore product management, data science. Find what excites you and aligns with your strength. And finally, keep adapting, keep learning. That means take online courses, attend workshops, get certifications. Continuous learning is the key.